بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 21b on stopping signs. Last lesson we had learned 5 signs and they were waqfah, saktah, sin, ayah sign and mim. And today we're going to learn more ayah signs. And today, the first one we're going to learn is ma'ma. It is a pair of 3 dots. And we stop at either one of them if we see them. So in this example, we can see that this is the first 3 dots and this is the second 3 dots. So we either stop at one of them, right? ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. So, as you can see, I stopped at the second one, not at the first one. But you have the option either to stop at the first one or the second one. But just make sure you don't stop at both. Now let's move on to the next sign, which is ta. Ta means to stop. And if you see it, you have to better stop at the sign. And this example, we can see that there's ta, and it's better to stop at here. So see how I read it. يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ. So I stopped at ta because it was better to stop at, and then I continued وَمَا يُضِلُّ and so on. And the next sign we're going to learn is qif. Qif also means to stop, and it reminds us that we have to stop here if we see it, like it is over here in the example below. أُولَئِكَ عَلَيْهِمْ صَلَوَاتٌ مِّن رَّبِّهِمْ وَرَحْمَةٌ وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُهْتَدُونَ. As you see, I stopped at qif because it reminded me that I had to stop there. The next 2 signs are jim and sin, and their meaning is permissible. Permissible means that we are allowed to stop or continue. And so in this ayah we see jim, so we can either stop or continue. I'm going to stop. يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. As you saw, I stopped, but you have the choice to continue, right? So far we have learned 10 signs, mashallah. 5 in the first lesson and 5 in this lesson, right? But we still have more signs to go, and we will do them in the next part, inshallah. Don't be so worried that, oh, there's so many signs, because no. The next part is the last part, inshallah, of stop signs. So, see you soon in the next lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.